Ready to unlock a credit card that rewards your lifestyle? Let's dive into how to apply for a TD credit card, step by step. First, head over to the official TD website and navigate to their credit card section. You'll want to find the Apply Now button, which is usually prominently displayed. Before you start, take a moment to explore the different TD credit card options. Consider your spending habits and what benefits, like travel rewards or cashback, are most important to you. This will help you choose the perfect card. Now, let's get to the application itself. You'll be asked for your personal information, including your full name, address, date of birth, and contact details. Be sure to enter this accurately. Next, you'll need to provide details about your employment and income. This helps TD assess your ability to manage credit. Have your employment status, employer's name, job title, and your annual income ready. You'll then come to a section regarding consent and agreements. Carefully read through the terms and conditions. You'll need to check the boxes to indicate your agreement. Once all sections are complete and you've reviewed your information, it's time to submit. Click on the Submit Application button to send it off. After submission, you'll typically see a confirmation page or receive an email. TD will then review your application, and you'll be notified of their decision, usually within a short time frame. Congratulations on taking the first step to getting your new TD credit card.